Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Dodge Charger RT in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black girl insert with black trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior. You will have heated mirrors as well as proximity locks. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather and cloth, along with the black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 11 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 15 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 14 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black cloth and leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here that will have a storage area, as well as 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have your heat and AC vents, as well as your heated seats and 2 USB plug-ins. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, we'll come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, seat memorization, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 16,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness and your trunk release. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will also have paddle shifters. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. And as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will have your traction control here in the center, as well as your different drive modes. You will also have your climate control options. You will have a storage area here with a 12-volt plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 5.7L V8F OHV 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have a couple stone chips, as well as a couple scratches. You will have a couple chips here above the front passenger side tire. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple chips. Here along the back bumper, you will have a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here at All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2019 Dodge Charger RT in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.